Hello everyone. In this video, we will talk about three common prepositions: at, in, and by. We'll use some animation to understand them well. Let's have a look.
Today, we're going to explore three common prepositions: at, in, and by. Let's dive right in.
First up, let's talk about at. Imagine you're at a park. You're sitting on a bench enjoying the sunshine. Here, at indicates a specific location. You're pinpointing exactly where you are. So, you're at the park. Next, we have in. Picture yourself inside your house. When you're inside something, in is the preposition to use. You're in the house. Lastly, let's talk about by. Imagine you're standing next to your car. By indicates proximity or nearness to something. So, you're by the car. Mastering prepositions. And there you have it. At, in, and by, three simple prepositions to master. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be a pro at using prepositions in no time.
That's all for today. I hope you found it easy to understand. And please don't forget to comment in the comment sections, and please like and subscribe my channel for new upcoming videos. Till then, happy learning. Bye bye.